Okay, the 8 died, so I'm out here on the 7. I've got these bolts here. These are pretty rusty. I have not looked at them yet. That's really rusty. Look at that. Now, Ryan told me that this thing is his go-to tool for getting out shit that he doesn't think he's going to be able to do. He reckons he just strolls up to shit, chucks this on it, and bang, gets it out. This isn't rehearsed. I haven't tried it. Let's see if this thing can... That thing looks fairly freaking bitey, doesn't it? Yo. Is that a bee or a wasp? I'm not sure, but I don't like the look of it. If it gets too close, it's dead. Right, let's have a look at this. And it looks like it's going to have to be modified straight out of the packet. So what's unusual about that? Spinning it. But I think it's just spinning in the unit itself. Yeah, it's absolutely strong enough to spin it. I think these bolts are in plastic, and they're just... is there a bolt head on the other side? No, it's just a pin. So I might not be able to get these out of here. The arms are really rusty anyway. If I could get this out of here and sandblast it, it'd probably be alright, but I don't know if that's going to be possible. Yeah, the pin at the back is just like, the stud is just spinning, so let's try something with a bit more speed. Well, we're spinning freely, but I think that just melted the plastic in the back of it. That's spinning really quick, but not coming undone. Too rusty. Alright, try these ones. That's a no. How about this one? No, it's just made the plastic of the wiper body flog out by the looks of it. So the only way to get them out is to drill the head off. Oh, you could cut. That's probably hot as fuck. No. Oh, yeah, it is. Yep. Yes, it is. We have to get the fuel lines out from here. I don't know whether I should take the front, like, suspension and everything out first. If I did that, though, then the thing's not going to roll, and I'm safe to... Or it might slide. Unlikely, though. Kind of need to get the side skirts off, though, which I'm not looking forward to because they're not the easiest thing to get off. Oh, the rust falling out as I'm doing this. But it is spinning, which is nice. I'm a bit surprised this is even turning. Oh, have a look at her. That's rooted. Right, get rid of that. Oh, there's more of them. There's another one here. That's spinning too. Sweet. Can we get this off? Without breaking it? Yep, we can. Sweet. Yep, back to hand tools for some reason. Screw into a speed clip. Yep. Okay, now, oof. Oh, horrible. I don't like it at all. There we go. but didn't damage it at all. That's perfect. Well done. We offer the ultimate works. To those who really appreciate performance, keep on moving, Suzuki. I don't think we need the steering rack anymore. Where we're going, we don't need steering racks. That's really in there. Wow. Okay, that was rusted in, and this thing got it out anyway. That's how it should have come out. Look how rooted this bolt is. Damn, that is... Yeet. Rack is loose. A loose rack. Hey, that's pink under there. Why is that pink? That one's white. Pink. Pink Alto. Could be in the future. You never know. You never know with Garage Kei. What is he gonna do next? He's gonna ruin this. No, I got it out. Need to just yeet that over there real quick. Get that out. I'm always afraid to use power tools because they tend to give you a lot of power really quickly, and with screws, that can be bad. Let's try the Milwaukee. The old Milwaukee talkie. Can we get this out? Yeah, there we go. Just be gentle with it, I think. Don't be a gorilla. There we go. Yep. Nice. Those will be replaced with some kind of nice bolt. Either stainless Allen headed thing or just a regular old stainless bolt instead of these screw shits. I'm not sure if this is the next thing I should be undoing, but I'm probably gonna do it, I think. Then everything in the engine room's done. Oh, whoops. Needs a tower bar. I've already bought one of those. At least I think I did. I bought a lot of things for the blue Alto and just sort of put them in a cupboard. And I might have bought doubles of things. So if I did, then I'll be selling those. Like, I think I might have accidentally bought 2 sets of suspension bushes. But I mean, I'm not going to know that until I start going through the stuff, and that's not going to happen for a while yet. Do you like my Rick and Morty t-shirt? Love it. The back's pretty wild. Screws and things. Right, so now if I jack this thing up, the front suspension's actually going to let go and come away from the body. That's not a huge drama. Yeah, not a drama at all, really, if I think about it. Wow, okay. So that's the screw holding the wing mirror on, and it's just ruining itself as it comes out. Like, you can see the aluminium has joined to the bolt. That sucks. That's easy. Probably cross-threaded when fitted. So that one will need re-tapping. No, I tell a lie. That goes in there just fine. Look at that. Okay? So it's damaged, but it's not rooted. Okay? Alright? Good. If you need a wing mirror, let me know, because I will not be needing this. I love this cup sort of style door handle from the earlier Altos. I believe that my other Alto has this style as well. If I can keep this, I definitely will, because I just think it's just such an old school design, and it's really like ergonomic to use, very comfortable. I forget how these come apart though. Yep. I forget. All right. Ugh. This is not gonna work. The head of the screw is completely gone. Yep, you can't even see it anymore. Gonskis. I don't know how I'll get that out. This pocket's already broken here, so I might just snap the edges of the pocket off, and then the door card will lift out over the snapped edges of the pocket. Pocket? Is that what you call it? Yeah, I guess it's a pocket, isn't it? These are quite nice too. Like, well, would you call it nice or just old school? It's fairly old school. Like, breaking into this car would be easy with a coat hanger. Just boom. Although there's a lot of tension on that. Yeah, they're probably extremely easy car to break into. You know, I'm thinking I don't actually need any of these bits, so I might just sell the whole door as is, if possible. It does have a dent in it, which isn't very nice, but someone might be able to use it. So I'm going electric mirrors and electric windows, so I don't need a window winder, and I don't think anyone else does either. I might put that screw back in and then just leave this door together, take it off and sell it as is. I think probably a better idea. Getting someone to come and get it though might be difficult. Let's put that screw back in. Maybe I should keep the door handle just in case. Alright, let's do that. Let's keep the door handle just in case. Because that's the kind of shit Dave's gonna break. I do not know why this won't let go, but it won't let go. There we go. That's not easy to get off, really. These actually go through the metal of the door. These clips go through the metal in the door, and that back one, like, you have to get this whole thing to slide, but the hole in the door card's not very big, and the lever for this, the wire, is not exactly extra long either, so that's not an easy thing to remove, in my opinion. You'll probably get it very easily. Beautiful. Undamaged. A little bit worn from the sun. Bit of armor all probably. You could probably paint that actually. Bit of 2-pack. Sand it up and 2-pack it in your preferred color. They'd look really nice in pink. No, I'm kidding. Absolutely OEM color. Right, so I think keeping that is probably a good idea. Keeping this might be a good idea too, but nothing else is of any use to me, and nobody on the internet has said they want anything from this car really, so there are a lot of different interior styles for this chassis. My blue car does not have this. It just has like a pole sticking up. I would rather have either this style or nothing. Having nothing is a bit dangerous, so I think if I can, I'll remove this and then fit this style to my Alto. I hate doing these, I really do. This is a really deep pin too. Difficult to get at. Can't even see it. This, holding this on, is like a clip like that, and you have to pull the legs up to get it to slide off. This one's, like, some cars are easier than others to get at. This one is really in there, like, I can't even see it. Like normally there's a bit of give in the door card. You just push the door card back and that exposes the pin, like in an old Corolla or something like that. Very, very easy to do. This is the opposite. Okay, maybe even the pin has gone underneath the door card for whatever reason, and it's on the back side of it, which means I'll probably never be able to get at it. That's really brutal to get out of there. Yeah, don't recommend that. It actually goes right through into the metal, so to put this into my car, I'd have to cut the metal, not just the door card. So, as much as I love it, I'm not going to do that. So this is going back in. There we go. Done. Put the door card back on, and as is, mate, as is. It really would be cool to put these in my car, but that's a lot more work than I think I just don't think it's worth it. Okay, so let's get this door off. But we'll do that in the next episode, because that is the end of this one. Thank you very much for watching all the way to the end. If you enjoyed it, hit the like for me, please. If you'd like to see what happens next on Garage Kei, press the subscribe button and the little bell there as well. If you'd like to support this channel, you can do that by getting your name on the Garage Kei door, or pick yourself up some merch. Details on how to do those things and a lot of other stuff are in the description, so check that out. I will see you in the next episode. Later.